of you don't have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, so let's just jump right into the video. Today I'll be making a crochet lock instant bun wig, and I'll be using some hair sent to me by a company on Amazon called Unbound hair. This is their 7 packs, new Faux Locs crochet hair, 18-inch natural locks crochet braids, goddess locks curly wavy 100% premium fiber synthetic hair African roots hair extensions in the color 1B. I'll leave some more hair information and link to purchase in my description box below if you're interested. When I got the package of hair, it came with a crochet needle, some clips, some alligator clips or duck clips, whatever you want to call them, and 7 packs of the crochet locks. And I also had a thank you card with some of the company's information. And these locks are lightweight, and I love the texture of them. They have like a natural little wave pattern to them. I love that because they look way more natural than a sleek down Faux Locs. And to make this wig, I'm going to be using a mesh dome wig cap in the regular size, I believe, and my glue gun. Now I'm going to grab a liner and mark 2 lines because I'm going to have 3 rows of hair. I wanted this cap to be kind of full, and these locks are kind of skinny, so I'm going to have to add a lot of locks to get the look that I'm going for. You'll see later on in the video, I started off with a thinner wig because I wanted to see like if I could get away with not putting all of the hair on there and not making it full, but I didn't like it, so then I went again off camera and glued on another row, and so I had a total of 3 rows like I initially planned, and it turned out amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you enjoy the video. I'll stop talking and be back towards the end and enjoy the video. Alright, so this is how the wig turned out when I was gonna make it a little bit thinner. When I thought I was gonna make it a little bit thinner, you could kind of see the cap a little bit. And this is after I added some more pieces on camera, and I added some more beads and accessories. And then I went ahead and wrapped it up in a bun and wrapped a scarf around. You could wrap a scarf, a headband, you know, anything you want to wrap around here to cover up that little black elastic band from the wig cap. Or you could rock the band, maybe. Anyways, I really like this idea of a wig. This is a quick and easy wig to make. A beginner can make this wig, and I love this idea of a wig. I think it's perfect for the situation that we have going on now, all the virtual school and the virtual meetings that we have. If you want to just throw some hair on your head real quick, here we go. Instant wig with a scarf. If you need to go run an errand, go to the store real quick, here we go. Instant wig, hair on your head, problem solved. Big shout out to Unbound Hair for sending me this crochet faux locks, and big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much.